Last class we discussed about the solution. Okay, what is solution? Solution is a mixture of two or more than two components. For example, sugar solution is made up of sugar and water. Okay, it consists of solute and a solvent. Mixing these two, you get solution. What is solute? The small quantity which you add is solute. The much amount is called solvent. After mixing, you get solution. We studied different type of solution. Gas in gas. Air is a solution. What smoke with air. Air in air. It is also mixer. Solution. Air is a mixer. Okay. And then solid in solid. I told you gold is made up of copper with gold. Copper with gold. It is small quantity. This is more quantity. Okay. This is solid in solid solution. The same way gas in gas solution, liquid in liquid, milk in water. So different type of solution. So according to the question you have to write the answer. Today we discuss. Before that you look at the heading. Is matter around us pure? No. Matter around us are not pure because it is made up of two or more mixtures. Two or more components. Only pure form, two components of pure, that is element and a compound. These two are pure form, pure. Remaining all are mixer. Understand? And the solution is a what type of mixer? Homogeneous mixer. Today we study about concentration, solubility and type of solution and percentage concentration. Okay. First, concentration, solubility, solution. Okay. Now I'll take an example. The last class I thought about solubility also. What is solubility? Amount of solute you added to or amount of solute that dissolves in particular solvent. For example, solubility of NaCl is 36 gram. Solubility of NaCl is 36 gram. What does it mean? For about 100 gram of water, that is solvent, 100 gram of solvent, you added 36 gram of NaCl. Okay. What is 36 gram NaCl? Solubility of NaCl is 36 gram at 25 degrees Celsius. This 25 degrees Celsius at room temperature, only 36 gram of NaCl dissolve in 100 gram of solvent. That means 100 gram of water. Beyond that you cannot dissolve. If you add one more gram, that means 37 gram, it will settle down. Only 36 gram dissolves. So the 36 gram is called solubility of NaCl. Understood? What is solubility? Amount of solute dissolves in a particular or fixed volume of solvent. This word is important, solvent. And what is concentration? Amount of solute dissolved in solvent. For example, here concentration. What is the concentration of this solution? 36 gram. Okay, amount of solute dissolved in what is that? Solution or solvent. Concentration. You can say amount of solute dissolved in solution or solvent. Here, what is the concentration? 36 gram. Understand? Here, concentration also 36 gram and solubility also 36 gram. So the solution is saturated. Solution is saturated solution. Okay. Now, I prepared in 100 gram of water, I added only 10 gram of NaCl. Today we talk about NaCl, okay? One example today I have taken NaCl. Solute ka example is NaCl. You know solubility maximum amount dissolved is 36 gram and the concentration also 36 gram. Such a solution is called saturated solution. Suppose you are added, take another beaker, take 100 gram solvent, that is water. You added 10 gram NaCl. Okay. So what type of solution it is? What type of solution? So the solubility, it is concentration is less than solubility. Concentration is less than solubility. Solubility should be 36 gram because I have taken 100 gram of water. So maximum how much it is of 36 gram. But now I have added 10 gram. Okay. So the concentration is less than the solubility. So the solution is called unsaturated. Unsaturated. Okay. Understood? Okay, now once again, what is solubility of NaCl? Maximum how much amount of salt dissolved in 100 gram of water? 36 gram. Solubility is 36 gram. Now I have taken 100 gram of water in another beaker. I added 40 gram of NaCl. Okay, now I added 40 gram of NaCl in another beaker. Beaker contains 100 gram of water. What is the solubility? I told you 36 gram. But I added how many gram? 40 gram. So what happened to the solution? Only 36 gram dissolves. The rest 4 gram will be settled down. Understood? So the concentration is 40 gram. Concentration is how much amount you added. Okay. This concentration is more than solubility. So the concentration is more. Solubility 36 gram, but you added 40 gram. So the concentration is more than solubility, then the solution is called supersaturated. What is that? Supersaturated solution. Now did you get the difference of saturation? Unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. I'm sure that you have understood clearly. Understood? Solubility is 36 gram. NaCl in 100 gram of water. So this solution is saturated, but I added less amount, so unsaturated solution. If I add more amount, it is called supersaturated solution. Only 36 gram dissolve, the rest 4 grams will be settled down. Such a solution is called supersaturated solution. Understood? The next topic is how to find concentration of the solution in percentage term. What does it mean? Weight to weight percentage of. Suppose I added 10% of NaCl, that means weight by weight. I have taken 10% of NaCl solution. I have prepared 10% of NaCl solution. What does it mean? Weight by weight, isn't it? This shows solute, this shows solution. Okay, this is for solute, this is for solution. What does it mean? I have prepared now 10% of NaCl. What does it mean? I have taken 10 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of solution. Okay, 100 gram of solution. Understood? Understood? I have taken 10% of NaCl solution means adding 10 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of solution. Understood? Now what is weight by volume? If it is weight by volume, 10% of solute, that is in gram. Volume should be in ml. Here you got to write ml. Okay. 10 gram of NaCl in 100 ml of solution. Is it clear? Next. Okay. Concentration. What is the formula of concentration? Concentration of solution. Concentration means strength. Strength of the solution. Strength of the solution means the solute, amount of solute. It depends on the amount of solute. Equal to amount of solute in amount of solution or solvent. Okay, this is a formula of concentration. Okay, how to find out concentration percentage? You got to write multiply into 100. This amount of solute by amount of solution into 100. This is the way you find the percentage concentration of the solution. Now I will give you question. You are adding 20 gram of KCl in 100 gram of water. Okay, find percentage concentration of the solution. Okay, what is the percentage concentration of solution? Equal to weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. Now what is the weight of solute? 20 gram. What is the weight of solution? You know weight of the solute. This is solute. This is solvent. What is the meaning of weight of solution? Weight of solute plus weight of solvent. That means 20 gram plus 100 gram. Okay, weight of the solution ka how to find out the weight of the solution? Weight of the solute plus weight of solvent. That means 20 gram plus 100 gram into 100. You got to find the value. Are you getting? Here what is the weight of the solute? Weight of solute equal to 20 gram. Weight of solution equal to weight of solute plus weight of solvent. That means 20 plus 100 equal to 120 gram. You apply in this formula. Okay? Okay, that's all today's topic. Thank you.